Hi, in this lecture I'm going to quickly detail the structure of the course, which is very straightforward. In section 1, I introduce the course and give some background into the mental models that we're going to be discussing. I also briefly talk about some of the people who inspired the course. In section 2, we dive straight into the mental models and go through them one by one, giving you the most important points for each one. I know you're busy, which is why I've tried to distill all the information into short videos. And each lecture in this section comes with a quiz, and I really recommend you attempt these quizzes as they make the concepts a lot easier to understand. In section 3, we take a very quick break. This is your chance to relax and grab a cup of tea, and then we'll move straight back into the mental models in section 4. And it's in this section that we'll learn about models such as margin of safety and feedback loops. In section 5, we round up the course. In this section, you'll find a number of useful resources and a recommended reading list for further reading. And one last thing I should mention is that I'm always available to help. If you have a question, just post it in the course discussions and I'll try to get back to you. So that's all there is to it. Let's get started learning about mental models.